Good evening, everyone. I'm Kamen Chev. Until we hear something official, the talk all week will be about bowls. Arkansas State finished 7-5 and 5-3 in the Sun Belt and is on the bowl bubble. The Red Wolves racked up a Sun Belt record 764 total yards in Saturday's 68-35 win over New Mexico State. Freddie Knighton finished with a career-high 449 total yards and 4 total touchdowns. He was named the Sun Belt Offensive Player of the Week. Coach Anderson thinks his team did what it needed to on Saturday to impress the bowl committees.
Yeah, I wouldn't expect we'd hear anything for a couple of days. I know he's worked it hard and had communication with several, but nobody's committed anything to us yet. So we just tried to do what we could and try to put the best team on the field that we could and have the best outcome. And obviously, I think 68-35 is about as good a statement as you can have.
So let's take a look at the bowl picture. The Sun Belt has ties to 3 bowls: the New Orleans, Raycom Camellia, and GoDaddy Bowls. There are 4 Sun Belt teams that are bowl eligible. ULL was 8-4 and 7-1 in league play. A-State and Texas State both finished 7-5 and 5-3 in the Sun Belt, and South Alabama was 6-6 and 5-3 in conference play. Most projections have ULL going to the New Orleans Bowl, and that seems like the likely scenario. So that leaves 2 bowls for 3 teams. If A-State makes a bowl, it will likely either be the GoDaddy Bowl for the 4th straight year or the Raycom Camellia Bowl. Most projections say ASU will play Bowling Green in the Raycom Camellia Bowl. Either way, it's either the GoDaddy or Camellia Bowl, so the Red Wolves will play a MAC team. Boy, that was a mouthful. But moving to Razorback Bowl chances, Arkansas finished 6-6 and 2-6 in SEC play, but the Hogs are near lock to play in a bowl game. Arkansas is coming off a 21-14 loss to SEC East champs Missouri, but prior to that, the Razorbacks shut out LSU 17-0 and Ole Miss 30-0. A few projections have the Hogs playing Memphis in the Birmingham Bowl. That'd be interesting. Another possible destination is the Liberty Bowl, which would be against the Big 12 team. Here's Coach Bielema after the Mizzou game on Bowl Talk.
I put our 66 football team against anybody, against a lot of 7-6, 8-6, and maybe or 8-4s, whatever they'd be, and 9-3s. I think as we proved here today, I mean, they're going to go play in Atlanta for a chance to win an SEC championship, and I bet you they don't want to go play 4 quarters again, you know.
On the basketball, A-State will travel to Central Arkansas to take on UCA tonight at 7. The Red Wolves have started the season with losses to UT Martin and Lamar. The bright spot so far has been Anthony Livingston. He averages 21 points and 9 rebounds per game. UCA is 0-6 and lost to ASU by 43 last year. I'll have highlights tonight at 10. And the A-State women host Chattanooga tonight at the Convo with tip-off set for 7:05. The Red Wolves have started the season with 2 blowout wins and respectable losses at Mississippi State and Colorado. Chattanooga's 4-1. I'm headed there right after the newscast. And the Hardwood Hogs beat Iona 94-77 last night to go to 6-0 for the first time since the 1997-1998 season. Michael Qualls was the SEC Player of the Week after a 20.9 rebound effort. Arkansas moved to 18th in the AP poll and 21st in the Coaches Poll. Here's Coach Anderson what made the difference in the latest wins.
The first group that went out there, we actually fell down. And so I put some guys that came off the bench, and I just thought they really came and just were in attack mode. They were in attack mode. We attacked the basket.
And former Troy, Kentucky and Texas Tech offensive coordinator Neil Brown has been named the new head coach at Troy. That's on our website if you want to check it out. But this bowl stuff, as a journalist, we want to hear what happens too just as much as the fans. So let's get it done with. Let's hear where they're all going.
And we want to hear it first. All right.
Absolutely.
All right. Thanks, Colin.
Stay with us. More news straight ahead.